Hello beautiful people, it is your girl Albie here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for hanging out with me for yet another video. This video is going to be a bit of a clean with me. I actually had you guys, aka the camera, following me through my entire house cleaning routine for the day. I was home alone for a majority of the day and decided to really get into my groove of cleaning, and my camera and memory card and devices all had other plans, so there are huge chunks of my day missing from this video. But I still wanted to share with you guys a little bit of what my solo cleaning looks like from the start of my day. So I kicked off the day tackling, first and foremost, some coffee, and then jumped right into making my bed. And then, because there was no one else in the house with me, I got to tackle some laundry, some bathroom cleaning, some office cleaning, tearing down some boxes, and just really getting my hands on a little bit of every part of the house while I was alone. So I hope this gives you guys just a little bit of a cleaning inspiration, and enjoy. So this was a day that was actually chock full of deliveries, from things that I had ordered to samples coming in for projects. So lots and lots of boxes were just pouring in on this particular day, which I guess maybe they just knew I was home alone and I could geek out over getting all of my packages. I don't know. But so there were a lot of boxes that needed to be broken down, a lot of bubble wrap that needed to be thrown out. But I had a blast opening up all my packages, and I do have some hauls coming for you guys, so look out for that. I had one more package coming in, my absolute favorite, most favoritist vacuum in the world. I actually had this exact same model when I lived in New York City, but we chose to give it away to an awesome friend of ours as opposed to schlepping it across the country. But I finally decided to get a new one. If you have lots of carpet, whether you rent or own or whatever, this thing will become your new best friend. And if you guys want to see a video of how I transform and deep clean the carpeting in our condo, give this video a thumbs up, and I will schedule all of that when I tackle the cleaning. Again, thank you for hanging out with me today in this video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you felt even just 1 ounce of inspiration to get some cleaning done. Again, I am so sorry that it came out chopped and screwed. I don't know what happened, but I have some fixes in the works, so hopefully this never happens again. Do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.